A thermostat barely registers as exciting technology until you realize it's quietly making decisions about how your home feels every hour of every day. In 2026, two devices define what intelligent climate control looks like. The Nest Learning 4th generation, built around subtle automation and refined aesthetics, and the Ecobee Premium, engineered for visibility, precision, and sensor-rich awareness. Both cut energy bills. Both earn their place in a modern smart home, but the path each takes to get there reveals fundamentally different beliefs about what homeowners actually want. One trusts the algorithm, the other trusts you. Understanding that difference is the real starting point. Wall presence matters more than people admit, and these two thermostats couldn't make more different statements. Nest 4th generation wears its circular shape proudly. 2.7 inches of curved LCD glass, a 600 by 600 resolution display, and a silhouette that reads more like sculpture than switch. Silver, gold, and obsidian finishes let it blend into a room rather than dominate it. Very deliberate, very Google. Ecobee plants its flag differently. A square body, flat glass, brushed metal trim, and a 540 by 540 display that communicates control panel rather than conversation piece. Worth noting here, Nest's curved glass catches ambient light beautifully, but that same quality creates reflections in sun-drenched rooms. Ecobee's flat panel holds its readability across wider viewing angles, practical if your thermostat faces a window or a bright hallway. Interaction style reflects those same personalities. Nest keeps its rotating ring, a physical dial that clicks with satisfying intention. Ecobee abandons hardware controls entirely in favor of a full touchscreen, where menus open with a tap and adjustments happen fast. Tactile people gravitate toward Nest. Menu-driven people prefer Ecobee. Both install cleanly with included trim plates, so the final call really sits with your personal preference and the light conditions of wherever it's mounted. Installation reveals another philosophical gap. Nest Learning 4th generation doesn't need a C-wire. It draws power directly from your HVAC system through an internal battery, which makes it considerably more approachable in older homes with limited wiring. Ecobee typically requires that C-wire, though it ships with a power extender kit for homes that lack one. That kit solves the problem, but it does introduce an extra installation step. For homeowners who want the simplest possible setup, Nest wins here. For anyone comfortable with minor wiring work, Ecobee presents no real obstacle. Both thermostats handle standard 24V HVAC systems confidently. Nest supports up to 3 heating stages and 2 cooling stages. Ecobee stretches further. 2-stage heating and cooling, heat pump compatibility with auxiliary heat, boiler support, and even humidifier and dehumidifier control. Complex HVAC setups will find Ecobee the more accommodating partner. Learning behavior is where the two brands genuinely diverge in philosophy. Nest built its entire identity on observation. The 4th generation adds Smart Schedule, alongside a new suggestion mode, a softer approach that proposes adjustments based on your manual input. Patterns without overriding your preferences. You remain in charge. The thermostat simply offers ideas. Ecobee counters with Eco Plus optimization, which responds to occupancy patterns and utility demand signals. It works effectively, but its learning mode operates as a binary toggle, fully engaged or fully off, with little room between. Scheduling granularity also splits them. Nest enforces a minimum 60-minute gap between schedule changes. Ecobee allows intervals as short as 30 minutes, opening the door to more detailed daily programming. Automation enthusiasts will find Nest's approach freeing. Precision planners will appreciate Ecobee's tighter control. Sensors tell their own story. Each device ships with one remote sensor. Nest's unit reads temperature and lets you average multiple room readings, applying specific sensors to specific presets, a meaningful improvement over earlier generations. Ecobee's Smart Sensor adds occupancy detection, which actively shifts system behavior based on where people are in the home. Ecobee Premium goes further still, with built-in air quality monitoring, tracking volatile organic compounds and CO2 levels in real time. No other thermostat in this class offers that as a standard feature. Step down to the Smart Thermostat Enhanced, and you lose air quality monitoring and built-in voice. Drop to the Essential, and you also lose advanced sensors and gain only single-band Wi-Fi. The Premium tier justifies its name. App Experience separates casual users from data enthusiasts. Nest 4th generation lives entirely within Google Home now. The legacy Nest app is retired. The interface is clean and accessible with an energy dashboard that displays runtime in simple blocks, readable and approachable but not particularly deep. Ecobee's app layers in detailed graphs, temperature trend lines, runtime windows, and a weather overlay that adds real context to system behavior. For anyone who enjoys understanding why their system ran, Ecobee hands over meaningful data. For anyone who just wants a quick check-in, Nest keeps things refreshingly uncluttered. Connectivity paths diverge here too. Nest 4th generation supports Matter. The cross-platform standard positioning itself is the future of smart home interoperability. In practice today, Matter integration limits you to basic temperature and mode controls, with advanced features remaining exclusive to Google Home. Ecobee hasn't adopted Matter yet, but it connects fluidly with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, and IFTTT with full sensor data available across those platforms. Nest is placing a long bet. Ecobee is delivering broad compatibility right now. Bonus features round out the picture. Nest's FarSight feature wakes the display as you approach, using radar-based motion detection to surface weather or the time before you've even reached the wall. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium embeds Alexa and Siri directly into the device, doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, and streams Spotify, essentially a voice assistant that also controls your climate. Pricing lands close at the premium tier. Nest Learning 4th Gen retails at $252.99. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium comes in at $247.99. Entry-level options mirror each other similarly. Nest Thermostat 2020 at $127.99, Ecobee Essential around $115. At the top, Ecobee delivers more hardware capability for marginally less money. Nest charges its premium for design refinement and AI personality. Neither of these thermostats is the wrong answer. They're just answers to different questions. If a beautiful object on your wall, hands-off learning, and forward-looking Matter compatibility matter most to you, Nest Learning 4th Gen earns its place. If you want granular data, indoor air quality awareness, and a smart home integration that works broadly today, Ecobee Premium delivers more. Both will lower your energy bills. Both will make your home more responsive. The decision ultimately comes down to whether you want your thermostat to learn quietly in the background or hand you the controls and step aside.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.